Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Concentration is the secret of strength. Concentration is a fine antidote to anxiety. Focus on your potential instead of your limitations. Focus on remedies, not faults. The ability to concentrate and to use time well is everything. Concentrate on the here and now. The future can take care of itself. To be concentrated means to live fully in the present. Discipline and concentration are a matter of being interested. To be able to concentrate for a considerable time is essential to difficult achievement. Concentrated attention is the collection of units of power on a chosen point of intention. Concentrate all your thoughts upon the work at hand. The sun's rays do not burn until brought to a focus. You must stay focused on the end result to achieve your goals. Obstacles are what you see when you take your eyes off your goals. Concentration is the ability to think about absolutely nothing when it is absolutely necessary. Concentration is my motto: first honesty, then industry, then concentration. Out of silence is born concentration, and from that comes learning. Concentration is the doorway through which the meditative state becomes available. Dignity and quiet joy in all that we do are the expression of perfect concentration and perfect wisdom. Don't dwell on what went wrong. Instead, focus on what to do next. Spend your energies on moving forward toward finding the answer. We can always choose to perceive things differently. You can focus on what's wrong in your life, or you can focus on what is right. Success in any endeavor requires single-minded attention to detail and total concentration. Take up one idea. Make that one idea your life. Think of it, dream of it, live on that idea. Let the brain, muscles, nerves, every part of your body be full of that idea and just leave every other idea alone. This is the way to success, Swami Vivekananda. When you focus on being a blessing, God makes sure that you are always blessed in abundance. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a good day.